These are the 1/4 inch TRS cables. I got these for one specific purpose, I'll tell you that. Came packaged up real nice, arrived just like this. Got a couple of things of Velcro. Actually, nice packing job here, I would say. Little holders on here, keep everything safe during transport. I've got the 10-foot version, obviously gray. We've got male to male. After I took the coverings off of the other one here, it unwrapped pretty nice. You got that little hump right here, but that'll work its way out. Nothing to worry about. We got TRS cable, tip ring sleeve with a copper conductor, gold-plated connectors, designed for balanced or unbalanced connections. But I'm going to be using this specifically to run my outs to powered speakers. I got Rocket 5 speakers, and I just basically, at this point, want to plug a guitar into here and go straight to the powered speakers. If you just use regular guitar cables to come from here to go to powered speakers, you get a hum on there, ground buzz. So this is going to alleviate that problem. They seem to be pretty decent. The end's covered right here. You can't unscrew them anywhere. So let's give them a shot, see how it works. The KRK Rocket 5 speakers, powered monitors I'm running to, specifically call for TRS cables. There we go. No noise. They say you can use these for multiple applications like guitar and so forth. I'm of the old school where if I want to use something as a guitar cable, I'm just going to use a guitar cable. I needed 2 1/4 inch balanced cables to run my outs here to my powered speakers, and that's exactly why I got these. That's the purpose I'm using them for. Can you use them for something else? I don't know. If I'm running a guitar head to a guitar cabinet, I'm just going to use a speaker cable. Like I said, I got these for one reason only, and they're perfect for that. So there we go, exactly what I wanted. No noise coming from the Scarlett here to the Rockets. I got 10 foot of cable, plenty of room to move around. Very nice.